This battery electric transit van has been fitted with a Flybrid regenerative braking device that uses a flywheel rather than a battery to capture the energy. But how does it work?
So this is a Flywheel energy storage system developed for passenger cars, particularly sports cars. As you hit the brakes, basically the motor and inverter turn that electrical energy on the DC bus into mechanical energy, spinning up the flywheel, stored as kinetic energy in the flywheel, and then when you want to accelerate again, the motor is turned into a generator which decelerates the flywheel and generates electricity through these two cables, and that's then used to the traction motor to speed up the vehicle.
But why not just use the battery to store the energy?
So the flywheels act as a kind of protection for the battery. They are taking care of all the high spiky loads that would damage the battery. And so together they work really well. The other important element of having a flywheel energy storage system is that we can produce that here in the UK with our known manufacturing methods and our known materials, right? So you're not reliant on some kind of difficult to find raw materials where the sources of those raw materials are overseas.
These flywheels have now been added to construction site generators, which are delivering fuel savings of up to 73%. They will soon be fitted onto buses before being made available for cars. The flywheel can be paired with a new design of high-performance electric motor that has an integrated inverter. These motors have been specifically designed to deliver a cost-effective solution to a very wide range of low to medium volume applications.
It's a scalable motor and inverter technology, so very easy to meet the customer's requirements. For motor as well, for motor, highly integrated power electronics that's scalable. And the key thing is very good power density, but really a much better balance of attributes for power density, efficiency and cost. And really the key thing for us is to be able to deliver this unit at a cost that the OEMs expect.
The key to EMPEL's success is being able to meet a wide range of high-performance use cases with the same scalable architecture, but at the lowest possible price. To achieve this, they've been working with manufacturing experts, the Shield Group, who have built a world-class flexible production line to produce them.
The e-motor production facility, which when fully capacitised will be capable of producing 40,000 units per annum across EMPEL's scalable architecture. And that only goes to strengthen the UK's reputation for having leading edge technology, but taking it that one step further into effectively creating a new Tier 1.
As OEMs are starting to add the EMPEL motor to their products, word is starting to spread about the unique combination of performance, size and price.
The performance can only be described as astonishing. Anyone with an internal combustion engine vehicle would just see something completely different. In fact, probably the biggest challenge is how you can keep the tyres on the wheels. The power that can be generated from such a tiny module is phenomenal, and it's a game changer for other markets, but we didn't really anticipate initially. So if you look at truck market, instead of having an enormous and very heavy internal combustion engine, you can power that truck by something the size of a suitcase.
The Shield Group, Dumeray, Flybrid and EMPEL got together as part of an Advanced Propulsion Centre collaborative R&D project. All three partners are seeing the tangible benefits of working together with the APC.
With the APC project, it's a public project, so we can make a lot of noise about all the good work that we are doing, and that's invaluable for developing new technology, getting the attention. We had contacts from OEMs that otherwise probably wouldn't have heard about our technology.
APC for us has really enabled us to win some contracts for mainstream, highly regarded OEMs and Tier 1s. We're now a company of nearly 70 people. We started from 2-3 people in 2019, so we've grown organically. But really I think the future is that for us is that we have a facility making product, and then that gives us credibility with the wider global market. So when people come here they can see stuff being made on the line. OEMs and Tier 1s really want to see things being made. They don't really want to see a PowerPoint presentation, they want to see hardware that they can believe in.
The future is incredibly exciting. We've got a pipeline of very serious inquiries from automotive OEMs, major automotive Tier 1s, but also non-automotive sectors such as marine, and defence mobility.
To find out more about the Flybrid flywheel, the EMPEL Scalable motor, Shield's UK-based advanced manufacturing expertise and the work of the APC, visit apcuk.co.uk.